Hi everyone, welcome to the Grace Life DIY Home Decor. In today's video, we have a collaboration called Summer Meets Christmas, Christmas in July. Come and join us. Now this is being hosted by the Grace Life DIY Home Decor, which is myself and Sandy Lynn's Home and Garden. So I had an amazing time putting this table styling together. I hope this gives you some inspiration for the upcoming holidays. Now, if you guys haven't been over to Sandy Lynn's Home and Gardens channel, what are you waiting for? She has amazing content. Love her tablescapes and her tea parties. She also has a collaboration called Fun in the Sun. You don't want to miss it. Head on over there, click the like button, leave her a wonderful comment, subscribe to her channel. You won't be disappointed. Now, while putting this tablescape together, I was going through my Christmas decor, so that was perfect. Here we have this checkered napkin. Then we have that napkin ring, which came from Kirkland's. Now we have that placemat, which I absolutely love with the tassels. That was a gifted item. So look how nice that looks, guys. Then we have the woven placemat. But here we have the salad plate. This was a beautiful item I thrifted. This was also another plate that I had gotten from Home Goods. So this was on clearance now that I'm remembering. Then we have this wooden charger, and this was a thrifted item from the Goodwill. I love that charger. This is the woven placemat that came from Hobby Lobby. This is great for layering, guys. Now we have the flatware. Here's the placemat closer look. Now the flatware came from Party City, and this wine glass came from the Dollar Tree. Now we'll probably start layering this back so I can show you what I did here. So we put the woven placemat on top of the red placemat. I think this looks nice. I did want to give it, as I said before, some touches of that little rustic. I like that feel. So here we're going to place the dinner plate. I absolutely love this dinner plate. And then we're going to put this Merry Christmas plate that I thrifted. This was a nice set that they had at Goodwill. And then here's the napkin. Now I also picked up from the Goodwill these gingerbread plates. So the boy is on the left and the girl is on the right. Then I got one of those ties from the Dollar Tree with the snowball on the end, so I decided to tie it to that wooden vase. Here we have that gold Christmas tree, and I believe this came from Dollar General. And then I had made this rose ball, and I had that votive. So this is what the place setting is looking like. The tablescape itself, it's just beautiful. Here we are at the reveal, and I hope that you enjoyed the video and the inspiration as much as I enjoyed creating it for you. If you liked the video, click like, share, and comment. Don't forget to subscribe, guys, and don't forget to hit that notification bell so that you can get notified each and every time I upload a video. Remember to full watch the videos, guys, whenever you are supporting someone. This way they can come over and support you. God bless you guys. Amen.